Hi there. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add extra charges or bills to a room in the property management system. Let's get started. First, navigate to the front office module. Next, click on Stay. Here you'll see a list of currently occupied rooms, along with guest details. Now, click on the room number where you want to add the extra charges. On this screen, you'll see the price breakdown and the total due amount for that room. In the top right corner, you'll find the Add Bill option. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Here, select the bill type as Due. Enter the charge details in the provided fields. Once done, click on Add Due, and that's it. The extra charge has now been added successfully to the room. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials linked in the description for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.